Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up your Freshdesk for your business in 2023. So Freshdesk is a powerful customer support platform that can help you streamline your support operation and provide excellent service to your customers. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of setting up Freshdesk for your business. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type freshdesk.com and hit the enter button. That will normally take you to the home screen or main screen. Of course, so as you can see, we are at the home screen or main screen. So I forgot that you should not type fresh disk. You should type freshworks.com and of course /freshdesk. But if you type like freshdesk, as you can see, they took me directly to the Freshdesk, so it's not going to be a big problem. So of course, if it's your first time, you can always scroll down and read more information about Freshdesk, and of course get an idea about it and familiarize yourself with this. And of course, if you have an account, you can simply get your free trial or your account now with it 11 days free trial. So if you have an account, of course, you can always go and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on start free trial, or you can even go and request a demo. So once you logged in into your account or you just created your account, of course, you can even do that with the Google account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. You will normally find yourself at the dashboard. As you can see, this sample dashboard, you can even dismiss for real data. So this is not a real data for me. So once you finished your setting up your Freshdesk account, of course, you'll even have to go and choose a plan that suits your needs, whether it's the free plan or a paid subscription. You can go simply click on this. Your trials ends in 21 days because you just created my account today. And as you can see, we will have the free plan, but as you can see, it will not have a lot of features. So you will have to go and get for you a plan if you want those features included here. And you can go and check them by your own. You can even go and simply click choose plan, whatever plan suits you, and you will normally be good to go. Now, of course, you'll have to go and customize your help desk. So once you're signed in and log in, of course, you do your Freshdesk and choose your plan and everything, it's time to customize your help desk. So start by configuring your company profile, including your business name, logo, and contact information. Of course, this will give your help desk a professional and a branded look. Then, of course, you'll have to go and set up your ticket channel. So Freshdesk offers various offers or various, of course, ticket channels for customers to reach out to you. You can set up channels that aligns with your business, such as email, phone, chat, or social media. You can configure the settings for each channel, including email forwarding, phone routing, or chat integration. Of course, you'll find the tickets on this left panel, the second option. You'll be able to do all of that from here. And of course, you'll have to even go and create a ticket SLAS and automation. So service level agreements or SLAS and automations can help you streamline your support process. Define the SLAs to set response and resolution time targets to for different tickets priorities. You can create automations to automate repetitive tasks such as assigning tickets to a specific agent or sending follow-up emails. Make sure to even customize your ticket fields and workflow. Customizing your ticket flow or tickets fields and workflow to capture necessary information and ensure smooth ticket management is a good thing to do. Of course, you can even go and add custom fields to collect specific data from customers and configure workflows to route tickets to the right team or agent based on predefined criteria. And of course, you will have to go and set up like a knowledge base. So a knowledge base is a valuable resource for customers to find the answers to common questions, or like the fact or frequently asked questions, to common questions or troubleshoot issues to on their own. So set up your knowledge base by creating articles, organizing them into categories, and optimize search functionalities to easy access for users. Of course, make sure to even integrate with other tools. So Freshdesk integrates with various third-party tools to enhance your support capabilities. Explore the integration options available, such as the CRM systems, live chat software, or projects management tools. Integrate these tools with Freshdesk to streamline your workflow and provide a seamless customer experience. And of course, make sure to configure reporting and analytics. Reporting and analytics are essentials for monitoring and improving your support's performance. Make sure to configure the reporting and analytics settings in Freshdesk to track key metrics such as ticket volume, response time, customer satisfaction, and agent performance. Of course, leverage these insights to make data-driven decisions and optimize your support operation. And of course, you can even go and train your support team. So finally, make sure to train your support team on how to use Freshdesk effectively. Familiarize them with the ticket management features, ticket routing, and automation rules. Provide guidance on using the knowledge based and encourage collaborations among team members. You can even, as an example, if you are going to have maybe newer customers, oh sorry, not customers, like a newer team, you are going to add some people in the future, or something like that, you can always, example, make a video for your team, so you don't have to, of course, explain that to every one of them, like each one by each one. You can simply go and make a video and send it to all of them. Even like if you add a new member to your team, you can always send them the video so he can familiarize himself or herself with the ticket management features and ticket routing and automation rules. And of course, you will normally be aware of that. So that's gonna be it. So of course, as you can see, other than that, we have the other than dashboard and tickets, we have like the contacts and companies option. As you can see, you'll find here your contacts, here your companies, here you'll find some solutions that's made by your team, as an example, or the fact questions that I told you before. Here you'll find the forums, as you can see, inserting some questions or issues. Here you'll find, of course, the analytics. As you can see, if you click on it, you'll normally find just the analytics. And here, finally, is going to be the settings of the admin, where you'll be able to do a lot of stuff. And of course, you'll be able to integrate with the other tools from here, as we said before, and other stuff. As you can see, you can even use this for 3D AI, which is a new thing on this Freshdesk, and you'll normally be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully set up your Freshdesk for a business in 2023. Of course, by following these steps, you can provide efficient and effective customer support, enhance your team productivity, and deliver an exceptional customer experience. So thank you for watching, and we wish you success in using Freshdesk for your business. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.